Vande Mataram children. In science, physics, chapter number 4, we are going to start with the heat chapter, that is chapter 4 in physics. Here we will understand what do you mean by heat, what is the meaning of temperature, how it can be measured and that all. So let's understand the very interesting chapter, that is heat. Children, how does your body feel when you have fever? Or on a hot day, what do you like to drink or eat? To a certain extent, you can touch and tell how hot or cold an object is. So, you can feel the hotness or coldness of an object. So, what do you mean by heat? Heat is contained in a body, causes the sensation of hotness or coldness, and heat is a form of energy. So children, heat is a form of energy. एक एनर्जी की फॉर्म है. इट मेक्स अ सब्सटेंस हॉटर. उसके हीट के कारण ही हमें कोई भी चीज़ ठंडी या गर्म लगती है. हीट कैन नॉट बी सीन बाय अस. वी कैन फील द हीट बाय द टेम्परेचर इफेक्ट इट प्रोड्यूस. Now when we heat is given to a substance, its temperature increases and it becomes hotter. For example, when a utensil is kept on a gas burner, its temperature increases and becomes hot. Same way, on the other hand, when heat is removed from a substance, its temperature decreases and it becomes colder. For example, when water is kept in a refrigerator, heat gets removed from water and its temperature decreases and becomes hot. So, how do you understand whether the thing is hot or cold? Now, in our daily life, we come across a number of objects, children. Some of these objects are hot and some are cold. Like tea is hot, but ice is cold. Soup is hot, but ice cream is cold. Same way. Even among the hot objects, some objects may be hotter than the other subject. Like, among the cold objects, some objects may be colder than the other. We usually decide whether the object is colder or hotter from its temperature. Sometimes, see children, fire is hotter than boiling water and boiling water is hotter than the tap water. Same way, ice is colder than cold water in a refrigerator and cold water is cooler than normal tap water. Thus, we see the degree of hotness and coldness of a body is very relative. Means वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं कि कितना गर्म है, कितना ठंडा है, and it depends on its temperature. So what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is a degree of hotness or coldness of any object. So children, there is an activity to understand the concept of hotness and coldness and do this the feeling of sensation, touch, help us to make out whether the substance is hot or cold. See, here one activity, you have to take 3 mugs or you can take 3 tubs. Even this activity you can perform at your home while bathing also you can do it. I hope everybody will do this activity tomorrow. 3 bowls A, B, C. Put cold water in bowl A, hot water in bowl B and lukewarm. मतलब ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं, ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं in C. Then dip your left hand in cold water A and right hand in hot water. Keep the hands in this way for about 2-3 minutes. Now take out the hands from bowl A and B and dip both the hands quickly in the C. like this way you can see. Okay, इस तरह से कुछ condition होगी. Now then you have to see and conclude what do you feel when you put your both hands in the C mug. We will find that the water in third bowl C does not feel equally warm to both the hands. Okay, दोनों को गर्म नहीं लगेगा. To the जिसमें आपने कोल्ड वाटर में जो हाथ रखा था उसको थोड़ा गर्म महसूस होगा और जो गर्म में रखा है उसको थोड़ा ठंड महसूस होगा. ओके, सो हाउएवर it is impossible because the same water cannot be hot as well as cold at the same time. Actually, our sense of touch is misinforming us in this case. तो हम completely टच करने से हमें कोई चीज़ का टेम्परेचर परफेक्टली नहीं पता चलेगा. सो हाउ वी विल गेट द करेक्ट आइडिया? वी नीड अ रिलायबल डिवाइस which we can get it the correct value of temperature, and that device is called thermometer. Okay, here you can see कि a reliable measure of the hotness or coldness is measured by using a device called thermometer.